High pressure has been the big weather story for pretty much the entire month of November. And today we saw record-breaking high temperatures in the Concho Valley and the Big Country. Given how warm we've been recently, I can't say it's entirely surprising, but today we had a high of 90 degrees even at St. Angelo Mathis Airport, beating out the previous record of 36 years when it was 88 on this day in 1989. 89 for the high temperature in Abilene, just shattering that record from 36 years ago when it was 84 on this day in 1989, which is still really warm. We're warm outside right now, although it's not too oppressive. In fact, it's honestly pretty pleasant if you're stepping out for Friday evening plans at 67 degrees at St. Angelo Mathis Airport. A little bit of some traffic on this Friday evening. We're seeing those winds out of the south. Most of us in the low 70s, upper 60s across the region. 68 Brownwood, 69 in Ranger. 74 right now in Abilene. We'll cool off tonight around that 60 degree mark, about 59 degrees, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you need to mow your grass or do any work outside, it'll feel pleasant as you head out the door. Although it's certainly not feeling like fall, and if you plan on going to the corn maze tomorrow afternoon, yeah, it's going to be really warm. It'll be about 85 degrees by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Some folks could even be flirting with that 90 degree mark, and I know that's not what anybody wants to hear. Some change is on the way, just not tonight or this weekend. We're still pretty much cloud-free and dry across the area. Our next disturbance is well to the west of us right now. It's in the Pacific Ocean right now. And as it approaches our area late Tuesday night, that's when we'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms approach the area. This version of Timecast showing pretty good coverage of showers and storms as that system slowly moves off to the east. Notice that orange shaded region. That is the computer model indicating the chance of potentially some locally heavy rainfall. Now, of course, there's still a lot of time until that weather system arrives in West Texas. And as we approach, we get more data, especially some high-resolution computer model data. That'll give us a better idea of the exact strength and timing of the system. As of now, though, the best rain chances looks to be Wednesday into Thursday, and especially east of the Concho Valley and the Big Country. I still included a 40% chance of showers and storms both Wednesday and Thursday. Also some cooler temperatures associated with that system, a high of 78 for your Wednesday. Compare that to the high of Sunday, that's just downright summer-like. A high of 88 for St. Angelo. We'll see those winds out of the west at about 5 miles an hour. Also 85 degrees for Monday with those winds out of the west at about 10 miles an hour. 83 for that Tuesday high temperature. That's when we'll start to see a little bit of some change, a little bit more November-like weather. Tomorrow, though, definitely still a summer-like day, a low of 57. We'll see those winds out of the southwest at about 15 miles an hour, a high of 85 Saturday in St. Angelo. Abilene, tomorrow's looking to be the warmest day of the next 7 for you. I'm going with a high of 89 tomorrow, so same as today. We'll see those winds out of the southwest, about 15 miles an hour, a high of 86 for your Sunday, 87 Monday. And then some change with that 40% chance of scattered showers and storms Wednesday and Thursday, a high of 79 Wednesday. 73 for your Thursday. I am definitely looking forward to it. Next Friday is looking fantastic in the weather department. A low of 52, high of 70 degrees even. I'm looking forward to it. So if you're not a fan of our summer-like weather, don't worry. Change is on the way, and hopefully we can pick up on some beneficial rain and not see any of the impactful side of the storms. Back to you, Ethan.
On